Mom? Yeah.
When I was a kid, we didn't have rainbow. We had conservatives.
Okay, it's not bad. I'm a little wireless router.
We should have said we didn't have rainbows because of conservatives.
Very nice, fishy.
I call my bedroom the pet shelter because my wife will not shave it off.
That's funny.
Which comedian told a better joke?
Sorry, honey.
Hey, how come only 3?
There's one joke person and one joke person.
Yeah, that's true.
We got more hot comedy
Alright,
coming up.
what you got?
God created rainbows by growing up after eating Skittles.
Okay.
Oh.
That's actually not bad.
You ordered cheese puff.
Have you ever tried chewing? That's when you lick someone's shoes.
Disgusting.
Have you tried chewing?
Flirting much?
Which
God.
comedian told a
They're
better
both
joke?
good.
Look now.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll go for it because it was more
Rain, you did your
conservative.
job.
Yeah, thanks. Hey!
He's just playing.
Okay.
Let's keep this joke boat moving.
Oh.
Welcome our next.
Oh, again?
Yeah. You ever notice how books are just a fancy version of thoughts? Good job.
I mean, true?
Thanks. It's just a light joke for me thing.
Very nice.
Why did the dildo cross the road? Because he was running away from the swingers party.
Sad.
So much potential.
Yeah.
Whatever.
I had to go for the Jaden Smith tweet.
Ahoy!
I finally
It's
get
our
a
next
turn?
comic.
Alright, Mark.
All right, let's see what you got.
I like my sex like I like my vagina.
You're welcome for that.
I don't have either.
Damn it.
Uh-oh. Fight! Fight!
Nice self-worth.
Fight!
That's just not getting my vote.
I want to open a store that only sells
Tutus.
tutus and call it buy two get.
Okay. Okay,
That
that's
was a
good.
joke.
Oh, just always punch a chick.
That was
Order
pretty
the
good.
cheese puff.
That was pretty good. I like that.
Both of these so good.
Really.
It was funnier.
It's a joke for me.
Ranch was a joke for me.
Yeah.
Whatever.
You know him, you
Alright,
love him.
buddy,
It's
bring it
this person.
My love life is like Nancy Drew. Missing
Who?
the movie version is shit. No, you know you have a girlfriend you can go see.
Someone say melancholy?
Oh yeah, but we don't have a movie.
Who's Nancy Drew?
I'm so dumb that I thought gnomes were
Gnomes, honey.
midgets.
Same thing. That's not worth.
What's funny?
Mine wasn't that bad.
That's funny.
And some credit to you. Let's see who our rising stars are.
Not mom.
If you're at the top, that means
It's okay,
you're the
honey, I'm not very
headliner.
far ahead of you.
I was so close.
You are close. I'm just gonna use luck.
Round 2. Here we go, bitches.
Oh yeah, that's right. We have short players.
Kinda.
Well, jorts are midgets.
Okay,
Just so you
let's
know.
write. Yada yada. Moving on.
That's funny. Oh my god, that is so much funny.
It won't joke for me. Fucking cheap piece of shit.
Maybe refresh it.
No, it's just it doesn't have it.
Oh my god, this is so funny.
Are your jokes funny?
No.
No, I was talking to JJ.
Yeah.
I mean, they better be. He was laughing his ass off over there.
Apparently, he's happy with it.
That was so funny.
All hands on deck, and put them together in a clapping motion to welcome back our comics.
I just noticed that one on his hands they're like red spots.
Because he was poking with his hand. My doctor said I have a bad case of the kittens. Because everyone talks about my little pussy.
Inappropriate.
I'm a little wireless router. A group of toys walk into a bar and get super drunk. I just told you. I didn't have nothing.
Wow.
Even for
Okay,
him,
judges,
that doesn't-
render your verdict.
And I have to vote for that one, and I don't feel good about it.
Apparently someone didn't like it.
Our next comic needs no introduction.
Alright, let's see what he's talking about.
Why are they called grocery lists? And not sex toys, really. Food or cheese puffs.
Are you doing your shopping food, Spencer's?
Apparently. Marriage is a lot like Deadpool. You can die all you want, it's not gonna matter. Did somebody say no comment?
Vote for your favorite joke now.
Oh, is my pizza in the oven because I can smell it?
JJ's is because he doesn't want it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I mean,
Good joke, bud.
that's funny.
It was funny.
And a tip of the hat to you. A round of applause
Right,
for our next.
I'm so old, I remember when Julius Caesar was killed by his bestie.
Real.
That was funny.
Alright.
Have you heard about the Yo-Yo Challenge? That's where you punishment day.
That is really quickly.
Go animated fives.
Yeah, about Family Guy. Damn. No.
That was a good joke, bud.
That was good, Joe.
That was funny.
Yeah.
Here's another comedian, whether you like it.
Rain, your joke was my favorite.
My grandma said
Thanks.
the best thing about theme parks is getting off on the roller coaster.
That's
On
dumb.
the roller coaster?
Getting off on the roller coaster.
Oh, like mid-ride. Okay. Okay.
Good job, Scott.
I had to think about it.
My nickname is Duct Tape because I'm always shutting up.
Respect.
That would do it.
That's funny, baby.
Thanks.
That's funnier than that.
That is funny as hell.
Want some more comedy? Well,
Daddy.
here it comes.
Daddy.
I know.
He wants to lose. Why did the family cross the road? The husband wanted them all to get hit by a car.
Wow.
I like my friends like I like my boobs. The bigger they are, the funner they are to be around. I have to agree.
You look
I
gross.
mean,
Wow.
I'm sorry, Scott's joke is funnier.
No, it's not.
And how about some points for you, Elizabeth?
like, do you think I'm pretty? Well, you're funny.
Good job, Sonny.
Quit making me laugh. It hurts my
Okay,
sides.
jokers, let's tally the scores.
Oh,
If
Really?
you're currently losing,
Wow,
might I
I'm
suggest
getting my ass
writing
kicked.
funnier jokes? Just something to
I'm
think
gonna
about.
kick you ass.
Well, worse. Okay, let's get to it. You know the drill.
are you laughing at your jokes again?
If he thinks they're funny, there's nothing wrong with that.
I know.
Oh yeah, just kind of wanted to amp him up. I'm pretty sure.
Joker weighs 269 now.
I was just reading before.
Wait, so did she pee the bag?
Yeah, she peed on a bag.
Okay, because I saw it on the floor and thought it was cat pee.
Yes, it was. Go ahead. I mean, where's the fucking toilet? She's over eating pizza or some shit.
Ooh, I have an idea. Let's turn those screams into laughs and welcome our comics back one last time.
Alright, Sonny.
No, it took me out.
My nickname is Duct Tape because that's how I trap all the little children in the basement.
Wow.
Funny. A little morbid.
What do you think?
Funny.
Does this
Sorry,
joke beat
Rain.
the original?
That's fine.
So much to vote for you.
I know.
A group of toys walked into a bar. And they all went and made a Pixar movie.
Okay.
That was pretty good. I'll give you that.
Okay, that's canon. That's
What
canon.
Toy Story?
Yeah, it's like Toy
Which version
Story.
do you like best?
That's funny.
I got it. Like I said, I didn't have nothing. So justify it. And both plates here. When I was a kid, we didn't have Rainbow. Had their hell and during Rainbow. After the Rainbow hell, she's going to die for everyone.
Did he have a stroke?
I did it for just the fact that he put all that type in there.
Wow.
Well, I created rainbows by making two male conservatives have sex.
So you took the
I get
punchline
it.
from her and enhanced it.
Yeah.
I thought it was funny. The other one was,
No.
Man, both of these are good.
Carrie. I suck at this game. I always have.
Whatever.
Hey, you had your moments.
Always wanted this
Oh
game.
shit. I went on occasion.
Alright,
I want to open a store that only sells tutus and call it Stripper's Dress.
Okay.
I won't do it.
Well, pretty damn sexist, but okay.
She gets mine.
Why is that sexist?
She gets
Because
mine because she read it.
because
She wrote it.
because not all strippers wear tutus. Have you considered ballerinas?
What's the saying?
Ooh. Please be me, please be me, please be
Let's see
me.
who's won a trip with me off this sinking monstrosity.
Yes!
Well, good thing we're playing again.
Let's do it again. Here we
What's
go,
the saying?
bitches.
I'm trying to figure out a way to say it. Not all ballerinas wear tutus. But all strippers wear tutus, so therefore all ballerinas are strippers.
Gather round, Kamik.
I can't think of the way.
Yada yada. Moving on. Okay, let's get to it. You know the drill.
Huh?
We've already said that.
No, you're here saying it.
Folks, we've got a great show for you tonight. A round of applause. How many of you have hit a squid in the face just to feel something? Just me? Okay, well, put your hands together for our first two comics.
Honey, you want a pizza?
I'll have a piece.
Just pause for a minute, please.
Yeah, it was
That
me.
one's dirty. You might want to just get a
Right.
little something out of there.
Hey, scoop the liver.
Or look in the dishwasher. There
Okay.
might be plates in there.
I'll do it right after the game.
Do what?
Scoop the litters.
You can do it after dinner.
Oh, come after games, she said.
Okay.
I mean, after playing Jackbox game.
Well, her pizza's in the oven. It'll be done in like 15 minutes.
But we'll still be playing games.
Yeah, but we're playing the game at that time.
Yeah. And she'll be.
You said she can do it after dinner.
Yeah.
You said she can do it after she plays games.
And if she's eating dinner while we're playing games, that's fine. If we're done. Never mind. Just play.
Yeah.
I am a tormented ungodly.
Ruby babies walking to a bar and got punted seat outside because they were under.
Alright, so C will put me out.
Okay.
I freaking.
Push pause. Scott,
No.
reload.
I took a complete different page.
I'm so dumb. I thought boobs were little crybabies that don't get their way.
So, what?
Boobs.
Boo. Okay.
Quit being a boob.
Joke you like's the best.
That's funny.
How would I do that? I did the same thing. Push pause.
Baby jokes.
Christ.
Oh,
I must have hit the back button. Okay, go ahead.
That's fuck up one word. Hey, I'll go
Right
fire
setup.
off one.
Folks, put your hand in hooks together.
My family is like the Joker. They are all crazy as fuck.
That makes sense.
I'm so fat. My self-worth.
Have you ever tried budding? That's when you speak. That was good, Jaden.
Oh man, that was so
Which
bad. I
comedian
love it.
won that face-off?
Really?
Yours was funny. That was very funny. That was funny though. He didn't even joke for me.
Nice assist. All right, let's
Oh,
hear it for
wow.
the next
Already?
performer.
Wow.
all right.
When I was a kid, we didn't have parents. We had same parents after my parents. She was cheating.
I think I had a tumor after reading that.
You got something you want to tell me?
He was watching Gold Animated lately.
Go ahead, Scott. I'm a nasty little toilet plunger.
Oh,
Because
gosh.
You literally have to pound my shit. The toilet plunger doesn't have shit.
Do you want to clean the toilet tomorrow? No. Why not?
I don't know.
You cleaned it last time. You did a good job.
Yeah.
That was a
Let's
toss-up.
go.
That was a toss-up.
Thank you.
But we'll kind of-
Fuck yeah.
Make some noise.
Finally.
for our next cop.
All right.
You don't get a turn. I call my bedroom the YouTube because it's my home, literally.
That was good show.
Dude, that was funny.
You flirting much?
You ever notice how executives are just fancy versions of sexual predators?
I mean, damn it.
Doesn't matter, my funny girl you don't vote for anyways.
That's because there was one funnier than you, honey. Yours was funnier.
At least you got a point.
I do believe you're owed some points. Let's keep things going for the next comic.
How many leftovers does it take to change a light bulb? 3. 1 to screw it in and 2 to find their way out of the plastic wrap.
Get up and get girls' bugs.
Yeah. Too bad I don't get to
Why are
vote
they
yours.
called midgets and not dwarfs?
Not a callback.
Or gnomes.
That's funny.
Or, I'm sorry, gnomes.
I was gonna vote for you.
I figured it.
And a quick shout out to you.
Good job, Ray.
Thanks.
Mine's funnier, eh?
Let's see who's on top and who is scraping the
mine's
bottom
ruder.
of the barrel.
Ah, sweet.
If you're currently losing, might I suggest writing funnier jokes? Just something to
You
think
do,
about.
and you still don't get voted for. It's a bit of a bias. You want any more pizza, honey?
I got
Push pause. Please. Go ahead.
Now that you have yada yada, moving on. I hope you're not sick of seeing these performers because here they are again.
Alright,
You ever notice how cows are just a fancy version of chubby Down syndrome chicks?
What?
That's not
Down syndrome girl.
See, he's fit.
I like my
Oh.
friends like I like my doctors. They heal me like my friends does.
Aww.
It's not a joke. That doesn't count.
That's nice.
Which joke was funnier? Vote now.
I don't like either one. Okay. Hello, pick.
Sorry, Scott, I can't pay for yours.
I just.
I know, but you just can't do it.
Come on. It's okay to be rude every once in a while.
That wasn't funny.
Okay, up
They didn't
next.
have a choice in the way they looked. You know?
Really?
Neither did the cows.
That was funny.
Why did my finger cross the road? To flip off my family off. To flip my family off.
To flip off my family off.
Yeah, fuck off. That's why I crossed the road.
Alright, man.
God created diapers by
Yeah.
thinking about how full of shit Donald Trump is.
I think that was like more of a personal rant.
Nice job, you two. Judges, what do you think?
That's funny.
Boo.
Sorry, Mark. Yours is funny, but Mom's is funnier.
I knew you did.
Our next comic is ready to hit the stage.
Oh, no.
My doctor said I have a bad case of the feet because I licked someone.
Okay.
We always do that for to Jerica.
Oh, okay.
Like I licked my own foot. That was disgusting.
I have more video games than friends. They are more fun.
Maybe you know, you could have left it at friends. It would have
Boom,
been
you
funny.
suck.
It was funny.
That's funny as hell.
You're just accepting it. I vote for you
And
again.
some credit to you.
Because I can relate.
Keep that applause going
If
for
you
our
would have
next.
just left it at Friends, then I would have given
Kind of
it.
looks like a cross between Charles Manson and Rolls Royce.
Now that was not nice.
That's sound kind of personal. What do you do, Scott? What's the difference between most people and fireworks? Playing cars versus police cars. Okay?
That's funny, dude.
Ha ha! That's funny. I get the vote for because it was funny.
Oh my god.
No, I wonder who voted against it.
The joke that was funny.
And the tip of the hat to you.
That's funny.
Please welcome our next comic to the stage.
My grandma said the best thing about public apologies
I
is
couldn't think of anything.
Mel Gibson's always there to give them. Okay?
Yeah, but when was his last one though?
Not soon
That's
enough.
funny.
My hometown's nickname is the home.
I am
Because
one
if I really need to explain
Oh, Mark. Cookie's going after that spot.
See?
Yeah, I see.
That's funny.
Leave my hole alone.
That's what she said.
Or you
That
the
was some
sheep.
points for you as well.
That's funny.
Time to check the scoreboard.
Put some tape on your feet.
Ooh, yes.
If you're currently
Oh, wait a minute, we're
I
tied.
suggest writing funnier
She's
jokes.
starting out, you're up
Just something to
200
think
Oh,
about.
okay.
That was good.
Thanks.
Scott, or honey, do you want any more pizza?
No.
Scott, there's another piece in there if you want it.
Okay.
I even ate more than I thought I would.
Well, we're okay.
Yeah.
Let's get to. We do have an official evacuation procedure that we will tell you after we bring back our comics one more time.
You ever notice how cows are just a fancy version of horses?
What?
Isn't that a damn
I mean,
No,
that's accurate.
yeah, they produce
A
milk.
real class of
Horses
type.
give you a ride,
So can cows.
but you can't control cows. You're lucky I can't control cows. I just can't do
What
that.
does that mean?
It's not that the bubble.
Oh. I couldn't think anything funny, so.
God created diapers by calling Donald Trump a hoe.
You have to appreciate how much
Did they successfully
That's
beat
funny,
this
man.
joke?
You're attacking and I hate you.
Damn it.
What?
I was full anyway.
Aw, you voted for me?
Rachel's
Aw.
funny, but she copied mom, so.
Yeah, I know.
Notice how executives are just a fancy version of Blood Moon Raining. Blood Moon Raining.
Okay, JJ.
That sounds like a massive period joke. Raining blood! Full infatuated.
Damn it.
Try, bud.
So,
Try.
It's okay, I voted for yours.
Thank you for giving me points.
thanks.
A group of babies walked into a bar and get carded and sent home, so they stopped and got brought crack instead.
Babies have really such skill.
Like on South Park.
Oh, right.
If I were to write that joke, I would write like, because they were baby dancing.
I'm
I call my bedroom the YouTube
Oh gosh.
because I need to apologize to him every time I fuck up.
Guys, apology videos. That's what I need to do.
Are you apologizing on other men's behalf or what?
No, I apologize to women.
On other men's behalf or what?
Sorry, sorry, I need a phone.
You have to explain the joke.
He's funny.
Oh yeah, but like, shut up.
I give it.
He's trying to think about it.
I can only take
I think
five
Ray's
minutes.
going away for this.
Obviously,
Okay, one
it's
Maybe.
the funniest person.
Oh!
Yup, I knew it.
Yeah, whatever. Just
I won twice in a row.
Yes, you did.
You're just jealous.
Who's jealous? That's you.
Rain, I think your Julius Caesar joke was the funniest one.
Yeah, even though history jokes wasn't meant to be funny.
I thought it was hilarious.
Which one?
Her
The Julius Caesar's joke.
Really?
Yeah, that fucking cracked me up.
I saw.
Well, it's not
It's their
supposed.
besties.
Well, it's not supposed to be funny because history jokes are for nerds. Okay, so which one's Mother Island?
7.
12, 15,
Hey, Ray.
fuck.
Licking the pizza cutter is not going to. It's not going to convince me to like. Oh, I like pineapple pizza now because my
I'm
stepdad.
done using it. I'm cleaning off the shit before I throw it in the sink. And
Hey.
I only licked it off when I was cutting your pizza. That's all.
Oh yeah, but picture. Hey sport. It's like, hey sport, you want some pineapple pizza?
Hey, Daddy.
Scott's a cheater.
Ah, so close.
Okay, I think I might like this game.
Nice job.
What? Who did
Stalker.
Oh, that's a great name. I don't know who that is, but that's a great name.
Who is it?
Probably
Tiffany.
Tiffany.
Oh, Tiffany.
What the hell? Who choose put sticker?
Stalker.
Who choose put stalkers? What does stalkers that mean?
That means you follow people around in a very creepy way.
What?
Like I'm watching you. And
Oh.
every step you take,
Oh, hell no.
I'm gonna breathe down your neck. Sip your hair.
Anybody else joining or?
Maybe just be patient.
Okay.
Who choose put card?
It's Miss Ange.
What?
Oh, really?
Angela.
Oh, okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
No, Jerica.
I'm no Jerica. I told her she's sick.
What's she doing?
Well, now she knows.
Shall I skip this?
Yes.
Okay.
This is your wake-up call. Prepare to die. Welcome to Trivia Murder Party. Sorry, we're out of rooms, but we have plenty of deadly trivia. Only one of you will survive. Also, I'm trying to run this place as a legit hotel on the side, so try to keep your screams to a minimum so you don't disturb the other guests. Okay, thanks. Alright, first question. What is British spume?
What?
Use your device to answer the question.
I forgot.
Almost out of time.
I don't think Angie's gonna win.
Roy Rosie?
And the correct answer is
Yeah.
I was gonna put that too.
Really?
Even Tim
the
got it
rest of
right.
you.
Yeah.
I want to show you something.
Really?
Welcome to the killing room. It's the mind meld. Type in an answer that fits this category. Everyone else will answer too. And if anyone matches you, you die. Including any potential mind readers.
Damn it.
One of the first.
I don't think he
A, B,
understands.
C, D, E, F, G, H.
Try that.
Now,
Just a
let's
guess,
see if
but-
there are any matches.
Damn it.
Oh!
Someone actively contributed to you.
Oh,
God,
shit.
you can't put all those.
Oh, I thought it said like put 3 of them.
No!
One of the first 8 letters.
One of them, okay.
It's alright.
Tired.
I just put E because one of my online friends said eat a lot.
Surprise! Dying doesn't mean you have
I'm
to drop
dyslexic.
out. Keep playing and you just might steal someone else's life force and win the game.
Are
Oh,
you
Rosie's still in the way.
Rosie?
That's good.
Oh, you're fat.
Let's try another one.
When you...
Which country leads the parade of athletes at the opening ceremony of the Olympics?
Yeah, fine. Where's
I think it's obvious, right?
Who picked?
Yes!
Oh, I thought it was the host nation.
The rest of
Yeah,
you who are
I'll
still
pick it.
alive. Follow me.
Yep, I sucked up.
Salutations! Welcome back to the killing room.
Yay!
Okay, this is
No!
experience.
You're not happy?
These are precious
Yeah,
family
because
treasures
death
I give
is
away as
inevitable at
punishments.
this point.
Pick a box and keep what's inside. The water damage is...
Yay!
Oh.
Ah, like Grandpappy Jack's glasses. They say they let him see things no mortal mind can comprehend. He succumbed to
nice
supernatural
glasses.
madness. So, that's not exactly good news for you, huh? Let's keep moving. Thanks to the ghost for not going into the light and instead staying here just to keep playing this dumb game with us.
Tiffany's not even here, she's winning.
Let's keep moving. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, what's the least frequently occurring letter in English?
What the hell are you talking about?
Oh my god, seriously?
Tough one.
Who picked this?
Ah!
It
Only
says
a ghost
my
got it
first
wrong.
12
That
answers
sucks.
is I'm not crazy, I'm not crazy, I'm not crazy, I'm not crazy, I'm not crazy.
Let's try another one.
That's fucking funny.
Which of these countries is landlocked?
What does that mean?
Surrounded by land.
Oh.
Really?
What?
Oh my god!
Your glasses?
Now it's making weird colors.
This.
Oh, did I pick it? Yes, I did it.
We did it, Ray!
Yeah.
Yay!
Good job, kid.
It's time.
Thanks!
It's my own favorite, chalices.
Fantastic.
I give each safe player a poison point. Pick a chalice to drop your poison in.
Come on. Thank you.
Now it's your turn to play. Pick a chalice to drink from. Most people are poison intolerant, so try not to slurp, slurp. Now let's see what everyone drank.
Damn it!
I killed Tiffany. I killed Tiffany.
I am
Shit.
We're here.
We're here. The final round is close. Next question. Which of the following does the little prince fall in love with on his little planet?
I don't know.
Oh, the letters in the thing are all weird.
Who picked this?
Yes.
good with instructions. Follow as many rules as you can before time runs out. Everyone else is playing too. If any
Really? It's
of them
just me
correctly
against
follow more
everybody?
rules than you, I will kill you.
Yup, unfortunately.
Yeah, we just
The rules are already on your device. Go, go!
Motherfucker city.
Rules, am I right? Almost out of rules time.
Damn
You
it.
got outruled.
I had a lot of hard ones.
I killed you.
I had a lot of hard ones though.
I killed you. So did I.
Not as hard as mine.
Really?
We don't know if it was me.
Ah, crap, I killed
Damn it.
everybody. I guess I'll bring
Oh, wow.
Sandy's
It's
first.
kind of arbitrary that you have the most money.
Fuck you, Tinder.
Anywho, the time has come. Glad to see you're the one to make it here alive, but will you be the one to escape? I'm going to give you a category. Names for Santa Claus from around the world. Tap each answer that fits the category, and then press submit. Let's see the
Shinzo
right
Ape,
answers.
really?
You move forward one space for each correct answer.
Get alright. She's not even here.
Yeah.
You're a little bit closer to escaping. Oh wait, did you think it was going to be just you?
got the time to do it, yeah.
If a ghost catches you, they'll steal
still
your
wearing
life
the
force.
glasses.
Then they can try to escape and win the game. Here's everyone's next question. And ghosts get a third choice to help them catch up to you. Time is almost up.
Yes.
I don't know if you can outrun those ghosts. Apple computers.
Oh.
All are?
I didn't know the last one was.
Never heard of the last one.
Human blood types. Uh-oh, here comes trouble.
Oh,
Here comes the darkness.
Did die.
Nocturnal animals.
what's a sparrow again? What's a sparrow again? Got it.
That ghost can smell your life force. Multiples of 8.
Damn it. Couldn't do the math fast enough.
Yeah, I got it.
Roll dog books.
No. Shit.
Damn it.
You know that rain or that again?
That was a guess.
No.
Tarot cards.
Fucking find out.
I do.
That bitch gonna
Time is
win.
almost
I
up.
don't know what that is.
Oh, wow, really?
The darkness approaches.
Not so fast.
If you want to break through that barrier, you'll need a perfect answer to this question. And that includes the third answer choice now, too.
Oh,
You have to get all the right answers to escape.
They might win. You could win.
Next question.
All comes down to this.
Announce a RuPaul's Drag
Oh crap.
Shit. Yep.
I don't watch the show.
Mom does. I don't know these winners.
I do. Yes, bitches.
Cheat!
That's funny.
Tiffany almost won.
Again?
Hold on, the mom asked if they want to play again.
Okay.
Next Friday.
Next Friday. But not the movie next Friday.
Oh.
Welcome back.
Oh, saved me.
Unfortunately, the Wi-Fi's not working, but
If it
don't
would
worry,
have been
the
in
murder
any other
stuff is still
question, I
happening.
would have been told.
First question.
Not necessarily.
What would you find outside of the Mori Art Museum in Tokyo? Use your device to answer the question.
Oh.
I don't know.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I might have remembered.
Time's almost up.
Knowing the Japanese people, I guess it's harder because they're weird.
And the correct answer is...
Maybe. Yes!
You got the question right.
We know Japanese people are weird.
The rest of you, time for consequences. Welcome to Room 101. It's not smoking. It's time for some
Oh,
kind.
yeah.
Okay, now that I've said that out loud, it does sound
Ray
weird.
said nope.
You're going to drop down this
Alright.
board and try to avoid the death zones. You know what? We need some death zones. Go ahead, everyone else. Choose a slot to make it no bueno.
Damn it.
Oh wow.
Okay,
Jesus.
let the games begin.
Oh, bad bounce.
Everyone's gonna live.
It's fun.
Bad bounce.
Oh, no,
Oh,
no.
no.
Okay, so
Fuck yeah.
Oh,
Tiffany
doesn't
doesn't.
know.
Let's
Are you gonna? You just
Land
gonna
in a
bounce
slot or
around?
else. I was worried that no one would find the death zones, but whew, I'm relieved now.
I like that so
That's what happens when you almost win that game. I'm assuming they can't see it. Rain picked it. Tell
Yep.
Rain killed her.
Let's keep moving. How many sides does a tetragon have?
I never heard of that shape.
Who picked this?
A what?
Everyone is
That's a
wrong.
square.
Come with
Exactly.
me.
shit. What's he got?
Hey, SpongeBob is my favorite
Welcome to Room
Tantragon.
227. Let's play with spooky dice. Roll as much as you want to add to your score. I'll kill the player with the lowest score. But go over 21 and you die instead. And don't forget, if they roll a skull, that adds 1 to everyone's score. It's kind of spooky to see skulls on dice. Ooh.
Okay, I need to stop. I need to stop.
Yeah, but if somebody has more. Oh, it's the lowest.
Oh! Oh my gosh!
Ooh, busted. Explosions
I
really
was
are the
so
best
close.
outfit for this game.
Too easy for me.
Let's try another one. As a professional serial killer, the environment is a real concern of mine, as you might imagine. Bearing that in mind, which of my murder weapons would take the longest to naturally biodegrade? Time's running out. Who picked this? The rest of you who are still alive, it's time. I hope you like magic tricks.
Shit.
Pick a space inside the box to hide. When this was used in magic shows, there were safeguards inside to prevent injury, but don't worry, I took those out. It's time for the volunteers. Volunteers get one sword. On your device, choose a row or a column to run your sword through. You know the song Bleed It Out by Linkin Park? It's kind of a deep cut.
For just to throw it away.
Magic!
Oh.
God damn it! Ah!
You got it from two sides.
And I was about to pick that one, but JJ took it, so
You got DP.
Really?
that's nasty.
That's genius.
Ah!
We're here! When one player is left alive, we'll go to the final round. Next question. What was the name of Oedipus Rex's mom?
I don't know.
What?
I don't even know what the fuck that is.
Me neither.
I don't think we all do. Well, all of us that are here.
Time.
Tiffany's looking there. Who's gonna post this mom?
Who picked this?
I almost did.
Everyone
It would have
is
been a
wrong.
total guess.
I want to show you something.
I picked Persephone.
Me too. I was gonna pick that one, but then I went for
Oh yeah, it's Persephone. I know her son, so it's probably
A
not
money
that.
pile. Go ahead and take as much money as you want, but take the most money or the least money, and you'll be sorry. Enjoy the mind games.
Bella.
Okay, who took what? Uh-oh. The most greedy and
God
least
damn
greedy
it.
must be punished.
Oh, it's me and Mark left.
Yeah.
Let's keep moving. What is the product of mass and velocity?
Ah, Cookie, you scare me.
Who picked?
Yes.
Not me.
Really? I'm surprised you didn't.
Follow me.
Guess I forgot my math equations.
The most
Might as well just give up.
Tiffany and
I'm
Andrew.
going to dictate a message to you. Write down as much of what I say as you can. Everyone else will be typing too. And if anyone does a better job than you, you die. Okay, starting letter now. Dear guests, while I appreciate you wiping down the exercise equipment after use, please refrain from doing so as I am currently trying to collect those fluids. Thanks for your cooperation. Mondays, am I right? Time's up. Okay, now I'm just going to do a quick editorial review of your work. And here's how you did. But did anyone do better than you?
Oh yeah. Mom,
You were not the best. I'd seem like a maniac if I said this later.
At least you got right.
Do this while I wipe.
Don't
I'd just
watch
like
me
to
while
point
I
out that
wipe,
I got
Stop.
15.
Hey Peter, I
Stop.
got poopies.
Don't watch me while I
One
wipe.
of you is still alive.
Just tell me,
You
man.
know what that means.
JJ,
What?
I got
I got.
I got
You've
JJ.
made it so far.
Don't break that
But can you
bar.
escape? Here's your first category. Dairy products. Tap each
I don't know
answer
much
that fits
about
the
dairy.
category, and then press submit.
Me neither.
Well, gee.
Let's see the right answers. Acronyms.
What?
Talk about.
Time is almost up.
No.
Wow, I suck.
Don't look back because there's a ghost right there. Metamorphic rocks.
Oh, I should have picked both of them.
Here comes the next question. Animals with stripes.
I forgot.
It will steal your life force.
Mom's cheating
Don't
again.
look behind you. It's only darkness. Melissa
Really?
McCarthy movies.
I don't know her that well.
Stop.
Me neither. Really?
They recently updated that with the boss just
You can't outrun
I
that
haven't heard
ghost
of any of
forever.
those,
Taco Bell menu items.
but the Rodeo King definitely is.
Steak
Yes.
fries are a thing? Really?
Oh, really?
I was just gonna laugh about that.
More stolen life force.
Maybe that's the thing in Texas.
Vodka brands.
Okay, that is the most disgusting at the time.
Yes!
Oh, do the time.
Rain sure knows her vodkas, that's for sure.
No, I don't.
Egyptian gods and goddesses.
What does it even mean?
I don't know Egyptian gods and goddesses.
Oh my god.
Nuts.
Really?
It's nuts.
Really?
Or
I
was
wish
it
I
the-
just told Scott, definitely.
Dr. Missouri.
Shit. I knew the Ozarks was there and I
Another
Right,
life force.
Tiffany.
Too slow, so you gotta go. Gymnastics moves.
Really?
Yes!
I just
Good
love
job, bud.
Woo! Bye, Mom.
Crustaceans.
Bye-bye, Mom. Bye-bye,
I never heard of water fleet.
Stop.
Really?
Oh, god damn it!
Yes! I'm right.
Barely.
Darkness approaches. Where do you think you're going? You need a perfect answer for your final escape. And that includes the third answer choice now, too.
The theme song stuck in my head.
That's a good one.
Oh!
That's a new
Maybe?
one.
Maybe? Oh!
That's a new one. I didn't know that was a Ghostbuster. They've updated this game.
Oh,
I told you, they updated
oh,
it because the
you
boss
guys,
was
I saw the flag. I saw the flag thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And those.
Okay. Well, thanks for playing.